Are you ready to get some crabs?
No, I'm not ready.
Why not?
Because I'm scared.
So do you have a surprise for your subscribers today?
Yes,
Where is that surprise at?
it's in the box.
All right, let's open it. Let's open this box. You ready?
Yes.
There you go.
They are trying to get out.
Can you get out?
Oh, you have to get out.
We got some Old Bay original, Old Bay garlic, and then I added this to the water just for a little flavor. So I'm about to get these guys in here in the steamer, okay? Are you gonna help me put it in there?
No.
All right, I'll put it in there.
Okay.
Grab them.
Oh my goodness. No.
It's a water spider.
A water spider? It's a crab, silly, not a water spider.
Man, somebody lost a couple arms in here. Go ahead, son. We're gonna play. We're gonna go ahead and add some Old Bay right on top of these guys. Add the Old Bay, heavy on the Old Bay. They don't know. They don't know. Heavy on the Old Bay though. Stay heavy. This is the original Old Bay too, by the way. Original Old Bay.
Guys, Winky them up.
It's cool. Original Old Bay on that boy. You gotta make sure it's in there. That's what you gotta do. You gotta make sure you got that Old Bay on there. The garlic Old Bay. Heavy on the heavy on the heavy on the heavy.
Daddy, they poked it. Oh, it's just the water fountain.
Alright. So here we are with our Old Bay. Now we're gonna get it cracking, y'all. You ready?
Yeah. Ah, I'm nervous.
Here we go. Alright, you guys. Check back in a second. We got it nice and sealed. Got the crab in there.
Okay, that's
The steamer's gonna start in a second. And we'll check right back in with you guys. Here we go. We got our first little inches of steam in there.
No.
Steam is finally starting to get in there. See his leg moving?
Yes. I think it's about to get out. It's ready to get out.
Oh, he's not getting out. See the arm moving?
About to get out.
There you go. They're all done. What you think about that? Thumbs up. You ready to try them?